Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix when the battery level of your earbuds is not reliable. Firstly, I recommend it to put your earbuds to the charging case, then close the case and wait about 15 seconds. The battery level of your charging case and your earbuds will update. And after that time, just open the charging case and check it in the settings or using widget. If it doesn't fix, we need to perform a factory reset. To perform a factory reset, at the back side of each earbud we have touch areas. So here's Motorola logo, this one is touch area. Firstly, press and hold simultaneously at the both of them until you will see the red LED light, meaning that you turn off your headphones. After that, release your finger and press and hold again for at least 10 seconds. We turn off them. Now release and press and hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, you can release your finger and then you need to reconnect them with the phone. Go to the settings, then Bluetooth or connected devices, and at the device list click the information icon or settings icon near to your earbuds. Then forget the device and forget device. Now, if you have Android, you need to click Pair New Device button at the top. Not all Android phones have it. Maybe you need to do the same as on iOS, just go back and return to the Bluetooth or turn off and turn on the Bluetooth. After factory reset, these earbuds enter to Reconnect Moto automatically, so you need to tap on them at the device list. That's it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!